Hello students, in this video we are going to read about how to multiply fraction. So the first step when we multiplying the fraction is to multiply the numerator. That is, if it is 2 by 5 into 3 by 4, first you need to multiply the numerator, that is 2 into 3. So 2 into 3 is 6. So the next step, the second step is multiply the denominator. So the second step is you need to multiply the denominator. So here the 5 into 4 is, that is 20. 5 into 4 is 20. So at last we are getting answer as 6 by 20. So finally simplify the fractions, so that 6 by 20 we got it as new fraction that you can simplify it. So reduce the fraction. So 6 by 20 you can reduce it. So 2 3 times is 6, so 3 by 3, then 2 10 times is 20, so by 10. So finally we got the answer as 3 by 10. So when you are multiplying the fraction, first multiply the numerator, multiply the denominator and reduce the fraction if necessary. That is, if you can simplify, you can simplify it. For example, here 6 by 20, that you can simplify it. If it is 15 by 17, then that time, in that case you can't simplify it. So in that case, just you leave the answer as 15 by 17. So the next one is dividing fraction. When division of two fractions is the same as the multiplication, but the first fraction by the reciprocal of second fraction. That is, the first fraction is 4 by 5, the second fraction is 2 by 3. Here the reciprocal of the second fraction to be multiplied with the first fraction. Reciprocal means you should write down this fraction as upside down. That is, the denominator to numerator, the numerator to the denominator, which is written here. That is 4 by 5 into 3 by 2. So this 2 by 3 we reciprocaled it as 3 by 2. So this is the first step. First step is we need to fraction that you are dividing by. Then the second step is multiply the two numerators. So multiply the two numerators and multiply the two denominator. So multiply the two denominators and numerators. So 4 into 3 times, that is 12. 5 into 2 times is 10. So 12 by 10. So the last step is that we need to reduce the fraction. So that is 12 by 10. You can reduce it as 1 by 5. That is, if you reduce it, you will be getting 6 by 5. That 6 by 5 you can convert into one mixed fraction. That is 1 by 5. I am repeating again. To divide a fraction, first invert the fraction that you are dividing by. That is the second fraction. You need to reciprocal it and multiply the numerator and multiply the denominator. And if you can simplify, you can simplify and get the answer with the mixed number. Then the next thing we are going to read about how to find the fraction of amounts. How to find the fraction of amount. To find the fraction of an amount, we need to divide number by the denominator, then multiply our answer by the numerator. That is, first thing, we need to multiply the fraction with the amount. See, 2 by 6 of 72, that we can multiply it as 72. That is 2 by 6 into 72. Then here 72 is in the numerator and sits in the denominator. So you should divide it. 72 divided by 6. So you are getting as 12. So we are getting the answer as 12. Next, 12 into the numerator. So 12 into 2 equal to 24. Therefore, 2 by 6 of 72 is 24. So, when finding the fraction of an amount, the key rule to remember is to divide the amount by the denominator and multiply the answer by the numerator. So, therefore, 2 by 6 of 72 is 24. Thank you.